Fish tacos on the Blackstone, one of the easiest, simple dinners, and the whole family loves it. I'm using fresh codfish, which is one of my favorites. It's so meaty and easy to cook on the griddle. We're doing a Pico de Gallo Slaw and a Smoky Aioli. Ethan, come take a look at these. These are one of my family favorites, especially come the summertime, and I cannot wait for you guys in Griddle Nation to make these at home. Fish tacos, such a simple lunch or dinner. The family all loves these here. I'm using codfish, which is one of my favorites. It's nice and meaty and really easy to cook on the griddle. I'm gonna cut this cod loin into big bite-sized pieces, get it into a bowl, and drizzle over a little avocado oil. Today I'm seasoning with a mixture of the Blackstone Blackened steak seasoning and the Blackstone all-purpose seasoning. I love taking two of our seasonings and mixing them together for a lot of my recipes. For now, we'll set this aside. You could also let this marinate overnight in the fridge if you want it to. Next up for these tacos is a Pico de Gallo Slaw. I love adding cabbage to a Pico de Gallo for an extra crunchy texture to these fish tacos. So we'll slice up some of our cabbage nice and thin into a mixing bowl. Next up, we've got some purple onion. Nope, if you're not team purple, you're not on my team, Ethan. Chop this up, get it into the bowl with that cabbage, and then we're gonna take some jalapeno peppers. Now I'm removing some of the seeds on half of this. The other half I'll keep some in, because I know that you like some spicy, Ethan, and me, not so much, but you guys can do whatever you like at home. Roma tomatoes are up next. I'm gonna chop up 3 of these, get them into the bowl, and season them heavily on the salt. The salt is gonna help these tomatoes release their juices, which is part of the liquid or the sauce for this slaw. Then I'll take 1 lime and get our little lemon juicer. Have you ever seen this, Ethan?
No.
Isn't it cool? I think you really fell in love with this little tool, but it's helpful. It is helpful to squeeze your lemons and limes so the whole juice of a lime goes in, then a big bunch of cilantro, some more salt, black pepper, and I'm gonna do just a little extra virgin olive oil drizzle. Give this a mix. If you wanna add some garlic, you can, but we're not doing that today because I am making a smoky, garlicky aioli. For that aioli, we're gonna do a little bit of Duke's mayo in a bowl, some fresh squeezed lemon juice, and then we're adding freshly grated garlic into this and tons of it. And to give it that smoky flavor, we're doing smoked paprika. Heavy on there. This is what's gonna flavor all of this. It's citrusy, it's garlicky, it's smoky. Gosh, it's so good. Now that we've got everything prepped and ready to go, I've got my Blackstone burners on medium high. We'll get our tacos cooking. I've got flour tortillas and allow them to toast for about 30 to 60 seconds per side. Then grab our Blackstone taco rack and get these tortillas in here. They're toasted, but I want them to cool down for our slaw to sit in these. While they do, we'll drizzle down a little bit of oil onto our griddle, and now it's time to drop down this beautiful marinated codfish. We'll let this cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, gently flipping them in the beginning, but once they start to cook, these really are so meaty, you can use your spatula and just kind of toss them around the griddle gently. While this fish finishes cooking, we'll get our taco shells loaded up with a smear of our smoky garlicky aioli, a big pile of our Pico de Gallo Slaw, and now it's time to grab this fish and load up these tacos. Using those tongs, give them a little pressure so that the pieces, these big chunks of fish, kind of start to flake apart for an easier bite. And now a little extra smoky aioli over the top, fresh cilantro for presentation, a little extra squeeze of fresh lime juice, a post-dust of both of our seasonings. Oh my gosh, this looks so good, like we're at a restaurant, but we're just in my backyard. I know you guys are gonna love these at home. It's a fast, inexpensive lunch or dinner. hot off your Blackstone. If you make them, you know my rule. I cannot wait to see. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you in the next family style favorite video. It's time to eat.